Are you in the club?
Hey guys, this is Disney Cars Toy Club, and today we're going to show you how you can make a little gingerbread girl using Play-Doh and a little Elmo Duplo toy. I decided to use light brown Play-Doh to make my gingerbread girl. Flatten out your Play-Doh and cover everything except for Elmo's eyes. Use your fingers to press down on the surface of the Play-Doh to smooth it out. Create a mouth and nose for your gingerbread girl by rolling out some white Play-Doh to make it look like frosting. Use some more white Play-Doh to create a little dress for your gingerbread girl. Next comes her hair. I decided to make yellow hair using the Play-Doh extruder. I gave her 2 ponytails, and then I used some pink Play-Doh to make a bow for her hair. And last but not least, I used some pink Play-Doh to create a little heart to put on the front of her dress. For more Play-Doh and Cars 2 fun, click on one of the pictures at the end of our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.